Ever found yourself staring blankly at your YouTrip app, a question burning in your mind, and wondering, how on earth do I actually talk to these guys? You're not alone. Navigating customer support can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient scroll, but fear not, fellow traveler, because today we're going to demystify the process of emailing YouTrip. Now, why might you need to reach out to YouTrip via email in the first place? Perhaps you've encountered a transaction issue, maybe a charge looks unfamiliar, or you might have a specific query about your account verification. It could even be something as simple as needing clarification on a particular feature or wanting to provide feedback. Whatever the reason, knowing how to get in touch effectively is key to a smooth YouTrip experience. So, let's get straight to it. While YouTrip offers various support channels, including in-app chat and FAQs, email remains a reliable method for detailed inquiries or when you need a written record of your communication. Here's the breakdown of how to craft that all-important email. First things first, locate the correct email address. This might seem obvious, but sending your query to the wrong address can lead to delays. The most reliable way to find YouTrip's support email is usually through their official website or within the Contact Us or Support section of their mobile application. Look for a general support email address or one specifically designated for customer inquiries. Avoid using generic company emails that might not be monitored for support requests. Once you have the correct email address, it's time to compose your message. Think of your email as a digital handshake. You want it to be clear, concise, and professional. Start with a clear and informative subject line. Instead of a vague question, try something like account transaction inquiry, your name, last 4 digits of your card, or KYC verification issue, your email address. This helps YouTrip's support team quickly understand the nature of your email and prioritize it accordingly. In the body of your email, begin with a polite greeting, such as Dear YouTrip Support Team. Then, clearly state the purpose of your email right away. Briefly explain the issue or your question. Provide as much detail as possible. For example, if you're inquiring about a transaction, include the date, time, amount, and any relevant merchant information. If it's about account verification, mention the specific document you uploaded or the error message you received. To help the support team assist you efficiently, include your YouTrip account details in the email. This usually involves your full name as registered with YouTrip and the email address associated with your account. You might also consider including the last 4 digits of your YouTrip card for transaction-related inquiries. If you have any supporting documents, such as screenshots of error messages or transaction statements, mention that you've attached them. Keep the attachments relevant and ensure they are clear and easy to view. Before hitting send, take a moment to proofread your email. Check for any typos or grammatical errors. A well-written email not only conveys your message effectively but also demonstrates your attention to detail. Finally, be patient after sending your email. Response times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries YouTrip is currently handling. Avoid sending multiple emails about the same issue, as this can further clog their inbox. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, usually mentioned on their support page, you might consider following up politely. Remember, clear communication is key to resolving any issues or getting your questions answered efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to reach out to YouTrip via email and get the support you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.